everybody. For hashtag Make Art with Martha, which is hosted by Martha at Martha Makes Art. Her prompt the month for May into June is fruit. So I thought maybe we could just make a couple of altered paper clips with some fruit. So let me get all my fruit out over here. I think that's all the fruit I have. I had peaches too, but we'll just use these. Peaches might be in another box. I don't know. Deanna, they might be going to you. I'm not sure. In your box that I have, I don't know. They could be in there. So what I do is with these buttons, I just cut them off. I cut off the flanks. Everyone does it. As close as I can get. Yes, these are my Tim Holtz scissors. Whatever. I don't care. I just use them. They've been fine. From years of abuse. Still cut great. Alright, so let's get some paper clips to match. Alright, so I figure let's get greens because yeah, I think all green would be good. Okay. Let's get some tulle. I'm just going to roll some up and then put it through the paper clip on the longer side. I'll tie it. So Martha has two hashtags going on. One is hashtag Make Art with Martha. She'll pull one prompt out and you make something. The other one is Cut, Shuffle, Create, where she'll have two prompts. And she runs one on the 20th of every month and one on the 25th of every month. Really get you to think too. Really get you outside of that box. I just kind of feel like putting mine in a little point. You can do whatever you want. There's a million ways to do it. Find out the way that works for you the best. If you want to put tulle on. Then okay, so we have one done. That's what the back looks like. Very cute. And I got this tulle at Dollar Tree. You don't have to spend a lot on tulle. Alright, let's do the watermelon next. So I'll do the same thing. Alright, just get it. Just do what's easier for you. You'll find your own way. We all find our own way how to do things. No one's right or wrong. It's just whatever way you like to do it. only tie it once because the hot glue will keep it straight. Yeah, I burned myself. Never fails. It wasn't too bad. All right, let's do the watermelon next. My daughter went to Italy a couple of weeks ago. All last minute, her friend was already there. He travels. He works remotely, but he travels. So he's been in Europe for a month. So she's like, I'm going to Italy. I'm like, what? Now, I never worry about my daughter at all. She's always been mature. I never had to worry about her. Well, I gotta tell you, this time I was scared. I was like, "You're going to what?" She was like, "Oh, it's not bad." I was like, "Oh my God, I want this kid's address. I want his phone number." Like I was going nuts. My kid's 24 years old, and so she had a great time. And now she's in Florida seeing one of her friends that she grew up with. So she moved to Florida, so now my daughter's in Florida visiting her. So I always say my daughter's lived 100 lives already. She's crazy, but she lives her life, let me tell you, and I'm proud of her for that. She works very hard. She works hard and she plays hard. I'm very proud of that, at least. She's not a chicken like me. I would never visit I would never go to Italy or like that, meeting somebody up there, one of my friends. I could never do that. I'd be so scared, especially on the plane by myself. I can't do that. No way. This kid has no fear. She's not like me at all, that's for sure. I mean, the only places I've been, I went to Disney once when I was a kid. And then I went back when I was, I think 19, 18. 18. I went with her father, actually. I think we were 18 or 19. Could have been 19. And then him and I went to, back when she was about, let me see, 6. Right before she turned 6, we went to Las Vegas. And that was it. I haven't gone anywhere. I could care less. I like staying home. I don't have to go out and go places. People love to travel. I'm not one of them. I could care less. I love being home and creating things. And I'm very, picky, too. Like, in the heat, I'm a big baby. Oh, it's too hot. Oh, it's too hot. What am I going to do? Be in AC all the time anyway if I go somewhere? Please. I complain too much. I like it 70 degrees with a nice cool breeze. That's good for me. I can't be in this 100-degree weather. Ugh. And they say, oh, Arizona's hot, but there's no humidity. It's hot. I don't care that there's no humidity there. It's still hot. Oh, please. So, those are my excursions. That was it. All right, so these are my altered paper clips. I think that, let me put a little bit of hot glue here. just to stick this together with that. I kind of like it. I kind of like it together. Yeah. So as you see, they all came out a little bit differently. And then we have the apple. And we have the cherries. I like that though, and I'll keep it in my little box whenever I have a fruit swap, or maybe I'm doing some kind of journal for somebody that maybe there calls to be a fruit on it. I can use these. We'll see. But that is what I made. So if anyone's interested, Martha uploads the 20th of every month for Make Art with Martha and the 25th of every month for Shuffle Cut Create. If anyone's interested, and then you just do the hashtag and then tag Martha, that Martha Makes Art, in your video, and then everybody can come see and see what you created. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.